It's funny, we're just going to walk through the food court area here at Caesar's Palace and show you what's available. This is going to be probably your least expensive choices here. And there's a lot of more expensive choices here. I did try the Di Fara pizza. It's not bad. It's not bad. A little expensive. Earl of Sandwich makes a very good sandwich, so I recommend that. I've never had Smash Burger. Maybe I should try that for lunch today. The Halal Guys. I suspect that's some kind of a Mediterranean food. Get a little closer up here. I'll take a look at it. Got the gyros and falafels and baba ganoush and hummus and such, and fries. There's wok and ramen. La Gloria will make you a tequila, as well as some various Mexican foods. Salads over here at Romaine Empire. And just in case you haven't had your fill yet, there's a Starbucks. Bet you 3 hours ago it was pretty busy. But anyway, that's the food court here at Caesar's Palace. So, thanks for watching. As always, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.